Hi, this is an introduction to a Breakout EDU game. So a Breakout EDU game is basically an escape room type experience, and your primary goal is to unlock one or oftentimes two lock boxes. There'll usually be a couple locks keeping this box closed and locked, and just one lock keeping this box closed and locked. And so to play the game, you need to solve various puzzles to figure out the different lock combinations. You'll either need to look around for clues if you've been told to do that, or sometimes the clues and artifacts will all just be out on the table for you. You need to talk with your group and share what you think about the different puzzles as you're trying to figure them out. And make sure you're really listening to everyone. You also want to test out what you think you know. So if you think you figured out a combination but aren't totally sure, just try it. You never know. And ultimately, you want to remove all of the locks from both boxes. A couple of tips for success. So work together as a team. Really listen to each other, speak to each other kindly. Make sure that you're not discounting what anyone says. Sometimes quieter students have the best ideas and they need to be listened to. If you solve a puzzle, make sure you let the rest of your team know. So if you and one other student are working on one puzzle while the rest of your group is working on another puzzle, make sure you talk to each other when you figure out a puzzle and unlock a lock. And then lastly, you'll have 2 hint cards for your group that look like this. And these are for when you might be stuck and your group is just not sure of what to do next and you need a little help. You can bring one of these to me and I will give you a hint and I will help you continue on in the game and give you something that will help you move forward. All right, and then a couple more tips. Please do not try to pick the locks. It can break the locks, and more than anything, it makes the game unfun for everyone else. And if you break the locks, then you can't do these again, nor can other classes do them, because I won't be able to create these breakout experiences if I don't have working locks. Also, don't try to guess the lock combinations, because it's pretty unlikely that you'll guess the correct combination, and it just takes the fun out of it for everyone else. Try to solve those puzzles. All right, the last thing I want to go over before you begin are the locks. Let's see, so there's usually always a key lock like this, and it just has a simple key that you're going to put in, turn, and open the lock. The key is usually hidden somewhere, but one of the puzzles will give you a clue as to where it's hidden. The other 4 locks are a little trickier. So there's a word lock, and a word lock looks like this. And on the bottom, you'll see there's a line, a line and an arrow, and you'll put whatever word you think is the correct combination. And once you have your letters in line, you'll pull down on the black part and turn it to open it. Similarly, this is a directional lock. One of the clues will tell you some different directions, some different arrows. And you're gonna, same thing between the line and the arrow on the bottom, you're gonna line up your directions, your arrows going left, right, up, or down. And once you have your combination, you're gonna pull down and open. The last 2 locks are number locks. For these ones, you are going to put whatever combination you think for like this 4-digit lock in these little circles along the side. So if you think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to put those numbers in there, pull down, and open. Same with the 3-digit lock. You're going to put your 3 numbers that you think are the combination, pull down, and open. Lastly, I just want to mention that there will usually be a UV flashlight as one of your tools, and sometimes it might even be hidden in one of the boxes, but this flashlight will help you see things on some of the cards or clues that you wouldn't be able to see otherwise. So make sure you use this and really look at your clues closely with this. And also, please do not open this. Do not unscrew it and open it. The only thing inside are batteries, and I don't want to lose the batteries, and I don't want to break the flashlight. Some students have thought a clue might be hidden in there, and there's never anything hidden in here. All right, that's it. Good luck.